Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome on Ubuntu. So it's Ubuntu 18.04. It should work on 0.10 and 19.04 as well if we have installed it. So we are not going to use terminal. You simply launch your browser or whatever browser you have and go to this URL google.com/chrome. This must detect your operating system, okay, and then you simply click on this. So this is going to install 64-bit Debian.deb, Ubuntu and Debian on your Ubuntu system. So simply go ahead and accept and install. Click on it. I'm going to make sure you just type select open with, okay, software install default. So once it's downloaded, it's going to open the software installer, Ubuntu software installer, and it should be installed after that. Obviously you will have to click install, then type in the password. You need password anyway. So this is going to be easy installation for anybody, and obviously this is stable, but you can upgrade it to the latest one. This is 73. 74 is just about to be released, I guess. So it's done. That's all you needed. Now you can close everything and go to this and type Chrome, and here we have Google Chrome. Add to favorite and you're done. Here you have a Chrome browser, and this is going to ask whether you want to make it default. Perfectly fine. And here we have Google Chrome browser. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye for now.